Welcome back to English Grammar Quiz and Logic. Today's grammar challenge: choose the correct article. Total 25 questions, and you have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Question number 1. Correct answer is option C. Question number 2. Correct answer is option A. Question number 3. Option B is the right answer. Question number 4. Option A is the right answer. Question number 5. Correct answer is option C. If you're enjoying the quiz, hit the like button and subscribe to English Grammar Quiz and Logic for more. Next question. Option C is the right answer. Question number 7. Option D is the right answer. Question number 8. Option B is the right answer. Question number 9. Correct answer is option B. Question number 10. Correct answer is option D. Question number 11. Option D is the right answer. Question number 12. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14. Option C is the right answer. Question number 15. Option A is the right answer. Question number 16. Correct answer is option C. Question number 17. Correct answer is option B. Question number 18. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. Option A is the right answer. Question number 21. Correct answer is option D. Question number 22. Correct answer is option C. Question number 23. Correct answer is option D. Question number 24. Option C is the right answer. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Question number 25. Option A is the right answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge.